me record from my side and let me share the screen.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
If I minimize the screen while recording, then the recording in the recording is going on proper way. So I have later open. Then it's looking minimized way or
No problem, no
full.
problem. You can minimize. Okay, not an issue. It don't create any issue for recordings.
Yes,
Okay. The window will be recorded. Okay, as you are not sharing the screen, I am sharing the screen. Okay, the things what you have selected, if you choose recording, whatever I'm like showing that the complete thing is going to be recorded. Okay, in case if you minimize also, it won't take effect.
yes, sir. Sir, and sir, show us today how to properly close the virtual, sir. Virtual
No,
system.
no, no. We have already discussed. There is nothing like, guys, how to properly shut down the virtual machine, guys. How to do that, or else how to properly close the machine.
Go to shut down.
That's it.
That's
Go
it,
to
man.
power button, click on shutdown. That's it. What is there again? Or properly, okay, closing the machine means you have to select the Windows button. There you can see power button on the top right side. Click on the power button, select shutdown, automatically it will be shut down.
Maybe he is asking about the tabs. After closing the tabs, have to shut down or directly we can shut down. Maybe he is asking that, sir. Maybe.
Tabs
Every
means
time.
what? See how you are going to close your laptop once your work is completed. What here?
Not back, sir.
Yes, to disk is equal to file name dot bak. So path is not mandatory, but if Satish, you have recording permissions, right? Okay, let me give you again. Yeah, you can record, Satish. Okay, so if you don't provide the path, okay, so automatically it will take the default location. What is the default location for backups, guys? What is the default location for backups?
The program files.
MS SQL Server, root directory,
okay,
backup,
C program files, Microsoft SQL Server, right? MS SQL. There you can see backup folder. That is the default location. If you don't provide any path, it won't throw the error. It will take the backup to that particular default location, right? Fine. And what is the query to take the differential backups?
Backup database. Database name. Database name to disk is equal to file name. Dot back with differential.
Okay, so with differential, same as full backup query, differential backup. Whenever you backup use reset. So we have to this log. Log backup is lookup means backup. Okay, log file it will change up full backup both back of the whole data files and log files. Okay, your differential backup in your data files and log files. Whereas your log backup will take the backup of only your log back. Will take the backup of only the data file. Whatever data is there in your log file, it will take the backup of that particular data only. It won't touch the data file. Okay, right. And how log backup will work? Whatever changes are there since last log backup, it will take the backup. Log backup will take the backup of all the changes since last log backup. Okay, since last log backup. Differential backups you can call it as a cumulative backup. Okay, differential backup you can call it as a cumulative backups. Why? Because one cumulative backup is enough to restore all the things, right? Cumulative means what? Collection, right? So one recent cumulative backup is enough to restore the database, right? Whereas your log backups are incremental backups. Incremental backups. Okay, so whenever you run the log backup, first of all, it will take the backup of only log file. Second thing is, it will back up the changes since last log backup. Okay, so for example, right, every 1 hour, imagine you are taking log backup for every 1 hour. Okay, so 8 to 9 o'clock. Now it is 7, right? 7 to 8 o'clock. Whatever changes are there, those changes are going to be backed up in the 8 o'clock log backup. 9 to 10 o'clock log backup. Whatever changes are there, those changes are being backed up at 10 o'clock log backup. 10 to 11 o'clock log backup. 11 to 12 o'clock log backup. If I want to restore from 7 to 12 data, how many log files I have to use? Only one log file or 5 log files?
Recently log file only.
Why recently log file? What is the difference between the log file and differential backup? Then log backup and differential backup. Then just now we discussed it's a piece. Log file is a backup. Okay, it's in the form of pieces. 7 to 8 one log backup, 8 to 9 one log backup, 9 to 10 one log backup, 10 to 11 one log backup, 11 to 12 one log backup. Differential backup is different. 7 to there also you will get differential backups for every 1 hour. If you schedule a job for every 1 hour, you can generate a differential backup for every 1 hour. But here how it will work? 7 to 8 one differential backup, 7 to 9 one differential backup, 7 to 10 one differential backup, 7 to 11 one differential backup, 7 to 12 one differential backup. So one differential backup is enough. That 7 to 12 differential backup is enough. The recent differential backup is enough to restore the data. Agree or not?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes, sir.
Your log backups are different. 7 to 8 one piece, 8 to 9 one piece, 9 to 10 one piece, 10 to 11 one piece, 11 to 12 one piece. Now if I want to restore the database, how many log files I have to use?
5, sir.
All the pieces I have to use
All
for
the
log
pieces.
backup.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right? So your log backup is a collection of pieces. That's why we can call log backups as incremental backups. Differential backups are cumulative backups. Cumulative means what? Cumulative update means what? One update is enough, right? We have service packs and cumulative update. One recent cumulative update is enough, right? No need to patch with CU1, CU2, CU3, CU4. If you have CU10, you can directly patch with CU10. If you have CU27, you can directly patch with CU27. Why? Because CU27 is the cumulative updates of all the CUs up to CU16. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So log backup is incremental backup. Every log backup depends on its last log backup. Every log backup will depends on its last log backup. Okay. So it's very important, guys. Very, very important. Log backup is a critical backups. Without log backup, we cannot achieve point in time recovery, PITR. What is this point in time recovery? Point in time recovery means recovering your database till the last minutes before corruption. For example, your database is corrupted at 8 o'clock. What is the best time to recover the database, guys? If your database is corrupted at 8 o'clock,
7:59.
7:59, 59 seconds. Exactly at 8 o'clock, your database is corrupted. Okay. A second before the corruption is your point in time recovery. Okay. A second before your corruption is your point in time recovery, PITR. So point in time recovery is very useful in the SQL Server. If something happened, you should recover the whole database at least a second before the corruption. How you can achieve it? with the help of log backups only. Full, of course, full differential and log backups, but log backups will play a crucial role. So log backups are incremental backups. Each log backup will depends on its old log backup. And if you have, imagine if you have 100 log backups, 100 log backups, guys. Okay, 100 log backups are there to restore, but accidentally 10th log backup is deleted. Can I restore 99 log backups? Or till which log backup I can restore properly?
Which log backup is deleted?
10th one.
Which?
10th one.
Then we can recover up to ninth log backup, sir.
Is it?
I think it's not possible, sir.
Not possible means what? Cannot restore at all, or I can restore till 9th log backup, or I can restore till 100th log backup.
Complete
Cannot restore, sir.
I cannot restore at all. Bashir,
Yes,
why 11, Bashir? Tell me the logic behind 11.
10th block.
10th, if 10th is corrupted, you can restore 11th. Then what about 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 100 and all?
11 to 99th.
If there is a logic behind 11th backup, if you can restore till 100 log backup, right?
Yes, sir.
Right? So,
Yes,
guys, just now I told you, okay, log backup is a chain. If something broken between the chain, can you use that chain first of all?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. So in the same way, if any log backup is deleted, I told you, right? Each 11th log backup depends on 10th log backup, guys.
10th log backup. Yes,
Each
sir.
log backup will depends on its old log backup. Okay, if 10th one is deleted, how come 11th one restored? If 11th one can't restore, how come 12th one can restore?
Okay, sir.
Okay, so the answer is you can restore up to 9 log backups. Why? Because the chain is not broken till 9 log backups. Okay, so this is very important, very important. In case if any of the log backup is deleted, imagine you have 1000 log backups. If second log backup is deleted, that's it. You cannot use 1000. You can use only one. First log backup you can restore. Remaining 999, you cannot restore. That's it. Useless they are. If one log backup is deleted in the middle of the chain, from that log backup you cannot restore the data. Usually how the strategy, what will be the backup strategy? This is the important question in the interview. Okay, what will be the backup strategy in your organization? People will follow different strategies. Some people will follow every week full backup.
Hourly differential backup. I mean,
yes. Okay, every
different
week full backup.
Yes.
Sometimes some people will follow like this. Every day differential backup. But every 15 minutes. Every 15 minutes.
Log backup.
Log backup. Okay. This is one strategy. Some people will go like this. Some banking projects and all will go like this. Every day full backup. Every 6 hours differential backup or 4 hours. Every 6 hours or 4 hours differential backup. Again, every 15 minutes. 15 minutes is common for log backups. Every 15 minutes log backups. Okay. Some people will go like this. Is differential backup mandatory or can I adjust with full and log backup? Can I manage it full and log backup or differential backups are mandatory?
It's not mandatory, I think so.
Right.
Even we have
differential
manage,
backups are not mandatory as we have log backups for every
log
15
backup.
minutes. Okay, again, there see any change, it is going to backed up either in the log file or this differential backup, right? Log backup or differential backup. So
Yes, sir.
of course, if differential backup is there, those changes will be backed up in the differential backup. The same changes are being backed up in the log backup as well.
Log
So
backup
if
also.
you have proper log backup, then you can skip the differential backup. So some companies will follow every day full backups. There is no differential backups. Every 15 minutes log backups. Very rarely you can see. See why they don't follow differential backups. What is the problem if they follow? Nothing, not an issue. Okay, if you follow differential backup, you can reduce the amount of log files to restore, right? If you don't follow the differential backup concept, you have to restore more log backups. That's it. Clear, guys? So it's not
Yes, sir.
mandatory. Differential backups are not mandatory. 90% they will use differential backups, but 10% is sometimes they can skip the differential backup. They can manage with full and log backup itself. Okay, guys, clear?
Sir, any maximum size or minimum size in the
Nothing
log
like
file?
that. There is no like that. There is nothing like maximum minimum size. Depends upon your database size only and log file size only.
Okay, sir.
Okay, right?
Okay, sir.
Fine. So this is the strategy. Remember, any of this strategy you can tell in the interview. Definitely, this is the one interview question. And the next interview question, imagine you said about every week full backup, every day differential backup, every 15 minutes the log backup. You just choose first, okay, backup strategy. Then immediately we'll ask this question. Okay, fine. Every Sunday, full backup is running at 2 a.m. morning 2 a.m. Okay. Usually backup jobs, that two full backup jobs will run early
In the
morning,
night.
night time,
Yes,
and
sir.
weekends
Yes, sir.
most of the times. Okay, why? Because backups are performance killers, guys. Okay, if you run backups on all the databases, it will consume the resources a lot. So that's why we use it to run the backup jobs during weekends, night times, where there is no business. Don't run any full backup jobs during business hours, 9 to 5. Okay, it will kill the performance. If the server is very busy, it is going to kill the performance. Okay, guys, right? So that's why usually full backup job, especially for log backups differential, it won't take much time. Hardly it can complete in 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, hardly 5 minutes if you have more data. Okay, but full backups, it will take 4 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours, 7 hours, depends upon the server size, database size. It will take a lot of time. Okay, so that is important. So in case sometimes they are going to take a daily full backups also, but that too they don't take during business hours, night time, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, where there are no user connections. During that time, they will take the full backups. Okay, right. Every Sunday, full backup is running at 2 a.m. Every day, differential backup is running at 10 p.m. Okay, every 15 minutes, as usual, every 15 minutes, your log backups are running. Okay, fine. So now this is the question. My database is corrupted on Friday afternoon 2:25.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Suppose, sir,
Why I'm
the
getting
database
echo?
is
Wait, wait,
corrupted
wait.
in between 50 minutes in log files.
Wait. Why I'm getting echo?
I am started devices, sir.
Satish, you are connected with the two devices, huh?
Yeah, that's what.
Let me mute one device. Okay, you can ask the question now. Yes, tell me.
Okay, if you take log file every 50 minutes, sir, if in between these 50 minutes, if system is corrupted, then sir, how the log file get point in time, sir?
We'll discuss. Okay, we'll discuss. Why you
Okay,
connected from two
thank you.
devices? Any issue with your device, laptop?
To ask the question, it is
Okay.
possible to ask the question from mobile, sir. That's why
Okay,
and
from
to record the
laptop.
session.
Okay, no
Laptop,
problem. Laptop mic is not working. Okay, that's fine. Right.
Okay.
Okay. So first we'll discuss this. The remaining we can discuss later. Okay. My database is corrupted at 225, guys. Okay. My database is corrupted at 225. Only as per the backups we have handy, till what time I can restore the database. Only the full backups, differential backups, and log backups. With these backups, till what time I can restore this database? What is the best time I can restore the database?
2:10 p.m.
Why 2:10?
15. Okay.
What are the backups I have? I have full differential and log backup. What is, by using these three backups, these three types of backups, what is the best time I can recover my database?
Before morning 2
Till
a.m.
what time? Till what time I can recover my database?
15 minutes before, sir.
I want the time. My database is corrupted at 2:25 p.m. What is the best time I can recover my database?
2:24.
Evening 5 o'clock, sir.
Evening 5 o'clock.
Evening 5 o'clock.
Why evening 5 o'clock?
2:24, 59
The
seconds.
office
sir.
time, sir. 9 to 5 office time.
2 a.m. sir.
9 to 5 office time. Huh?
There is no time in
That
DB.
is okay. 9 to 5 office time only. I agree with you. But the thing is, the database is corrupted at 2:25. Then how can you restore at 5 p.m.?
No, sir.
Right? From if it is corrupted 2:25, once till you fix it that issue again, you cannot generate the log backups, right? The log backups won't be generated, right? Agree?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Now tell me.
2:15, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Because
so,
of another 15 minutes, we'll get 2:30, na, sir?
yes.
So,
Very good. Okay. So
yes, sir.
2:30, as the database is already corrupted at 2:25, 2:30 log
Yeah.
backup won't be generated.
Yes, sir.
Till 2:15 only we have proper log backups. So you can restore the database till 2:15. Forget about the 10 minutes, 2:15 to 2:25, how to fix it, I'll tell you. Okay?
Yes.
Forget about it. We have a tail log backup. Once the
Tail log
database is corrupted, immediately the first thing what we have to do is we'll take the tail log backup. So last log backup till the second before the corruption, it will take the backup. Okay, tail log backup, usually it will take the backup since last log backup till a second before the corruption. So 2:25 to 2:20, 2:15, sorry, 2:15 is the last log backup, right? 2:15 to 2:24, 59 seconds, those transactions will be covered under your tail log backup. Okay?
Right.
So you can restore tail log backup to fix that issue, right? That's what you asked, right, Satish? Right. Okay, forget about tail log backup till now. So whatever backups we have, my database is corrupted 2:25. Now you have a clarity, you can restore till 2:15. Now tell me how many backups I have to use to restore my database till 2:15.
One recent differential backup.
I need answers from everyone. Just type in the chat. Let me know. How many backups? What are those backups? I need
all,
including count, log backup count also I need. Okay. Total count. How many log backups I have to restore? How many full? How many differential? How many log backups I have to restore till 2:15 p.m.
2 p.m. Okay.
You have a time, 2 minutes time you have. You can type the answers. I will wait. Okay. I got only 3 responses. Only 10 log files we cannot backup. Okay, but suppose one full Krishna Reddy, one full Mahesh, one log backup, Deva,
215.
one full, one recent differential, 17 log backups. Reddy full differential, remaining log backups up to 215. Sunil, I don't want that kind of answer. I need exact count. Your answer is correct only, but I want to know the count. How many full, how many differential, how many log backups. I want to know the count. Okay. And Anis, 65 log backups. Okay. 65 log backups. Okay. Bashir, one full, one differential, remaining log. What is that remaining log? One full, one differential, remaining before 215 log backup. I want the exact log backup count. How many? Please repeat the question. Okay. On recent full backup, differential backup. Recent full differential backup. Mahesh, all backup before 15 minutes. All backups means every Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Wednesday, Thursday, we'll get the differential backups. We have to restore all the differential backups as well. Guys, I need the proper count. Exact count I need. How many full, how many differential, how many logs. Okay, how many logs? I need exact count. Then only I came to know whether you understood this concept properly or not. Okay, the answer is correct. Till 215, whatever log backups are there will restore. But I don't want like that. I need exactly how many log backups. Right? Anis told, right? 65. We have to verify whether 65 is correct or wrong. We'll verify it. But I need an exact count. How many log backups? Right? So someone asked what is the question. Okay, no problem. I'll repeat again. Okay. So every week you are taking full backup. That is Sunday night 10 a.m. then 10 p.m. Sorry, Sunday night 10 p.m. you are taking a full backup every Sunday. Okay. Sorry, 2 a.m. guys. I'm sorry. Every Sunday 2 a.m. means weekly full backup is running. That is running on every Sunday early morning 2 a.m. Okay. Every day differential backup at 10 p.m. Every 15 minutes log backup. If my database is corrupted at Friday afternoon 2:25 p.m., what are the backups you are going to use? How many backups you are going to use to restore the database?